So after I filled at financement and populated in here and the step financement, after I click submit for validation, go to the next step and I waiting for the financement. There is a small handle financement process is not defined. Here I click OK. I think financement that I filled is wrong. So I want to edit the financement to something and I click validate. This display please fill all the required fields. Okay. Marked with red color. Even I try to fill all the I have already to the fill mandatory field. Uh, this is finance one part here. I've already to the fill all the mandatory field. Even I change the document PDF and I click validate. It still display please fill all the required field. So yeah, I cannot do the next step. I want to try remove Bravo. I want to try change the another type of organization. Okay, but yeah, I think I'm wrong with select type of permission. Then from here, I submit for validation. Okay, now I'm still not submit the financement step. So yeah, I cannot continue to the test because I'm blocking in the step financement.